Hey guys, it's Bill, and today we're gonna go over a geometry problem that I found on Alchemist or AOPS. So this is the problem. The points A and B are on a parabola y equals 4x squared plus 7x minus 1. Its origin is at the midpoint of line AB. What is the length of AB? Express your answer in simplest radical form. So our first step to solve this problem is to define coordinates for our points A and B. So let's say that the point A is x1 and y1. And let's say that the coordinate for point B is x2 and y2. Okay. So since we know that A lies on a parabola, we can write the equation as y A is equal to 4x squared A plus 7x A minus 1. Okay, so since we also know that the origin of the midpoint, the origin is the midpoint of AB, then the coordinates A and B, the coordinates of B has to be negative x A and negative y A. Okay, so we can plug these points in and define our equation for point B. So we get that yb is equal to 4 negative x b squared plus 7 negative x b squared minus 1. So what we do after that is we substitute for ya, and we will get negative 4 x squared a minus 7x a plus 1, which is equal to 4 negative x a squared plus 7 negative x a minus 1. Okay, so we can simplify this whole equation. So we will get negative 4x squared a, which is equal to negative x a plus 1, which is equal to 4x squared a minus 7x a minus 1. Okay, subtract 4xa squared from both sides, and we will get negative 8x squared a. Okay, then we add 7x to both sides to cancel 7xa to both sides to cancel them out, and 1 to both sides to bring it to the left side. We get is equal to 2. Okay, so then we can multiply negative 1 to both sides to make our variable positive. So 8x squared a minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can solve this. Let me show you how to solve it. So add 2 to both sides to isolate the variable. 8 squared a is equal to 2. Divide 8 from both sides. 8 squared a is equal to 1/4. And we get that xa is equal to plus minus 1/2, since 1/2 or negative 1/2 multiplied by itself will equal to 1/4. Okay, so since we know that both roots will lead to the same pair of points, then we can plug this into our equation, and we will get that the points are 1/2 2, and the other point is negative 1/2 over negative 7 over 2. Okay, so now we need to find their distance. 1/2 minus negative 1/2 is 1, so 1 squared is still 1. Okay, plus is 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2, so we get 7. So 7 squared, 49, and we will get 50. Okay, and then we must simplify 50 as the problem specified for the simplest way. So we get 5 root 2 as our answer. There you go. The distance between the 2 points is 5 root 2. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the problem and the video. So if you want to suggest any topics for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.